Good morning, my dear second class children. Have you taken your breakfast, Amma? Okay. Once recall, what did I teach you day before yesterday, children? What is the name of lesson? Air. Okay, what is the name of lesson? Lesson number 9, air. Already we discussed about air, no children? Okay, and let us learn more about it by discussing objective type of question and answers from the textbook. Amma. Okay, those who have textbook, please open textbook. Those who did not have textbook, enter all these question and answers in your science HW or CW children. First listen, Amma. First listen. Later you have to enter all these, or else you have to take screenshot, and leisurely enter your science CW or notebook. Okay, children. And if you have any doubt regarding the lesson 8, please go through the lesson and revise it 1 or 2 times. Will you do all these? Will you do all these, children? Yes. Page number 71 open. Those who did not have textbook, enter all these questions in your science CW or HW. Don't forget it, children. But it is very important to listen. First you have to listen. Okay. Later you have to enter. Okay, page number 71 open, Amma. Page number 71. They given 3 questions for you. Okay, choose the correct word. Choose the correct word in each sentence. Choose the correct word in each sentence. Read first one. Air contains dash in it. Okay, air contains dash in it. What does the air contains? Air contains air or flower. Air contains. Okay, air contains dust or flowers. Air contains dust or flowers. Flowers are in the garden. Okay. Air contains dust particles. When we sweep the floor, so much of dust rises up. Okay. When the vehicles are moving, yes, see, autos are moving, so much of soil particles rises up and mix into the air. So air contains dust. Air contains dust. Means soil particles. You have to keep tick. You have to keep tick. Okay. Now I am reading second question. First listen. We should breathe. We should breathe what kind of air? Dirty air or fresh air? We should breathe dirty air or fresh air, children? Yes. Always we should breathe fresh air only. Okay. That's why you should go for walk early in the morning. We get fresh air from outside of the house. So always you should breathe fresh air. Okay, fresh air. Okay, always you should breathe fresh air only. Okay, now third question. See, dash comes from vehicles. What comes from vehicles, Amma? Dash comes from vehicles. Smoke or oxygen comes from vehicles. Smoke or oxygen comes from vehicles. Okay, vehicles release oxygen or smoke. Which is correct from these two? Who produce oxygen? Plants produce oxygen, no, children? So what comes from vehicles? Yes, you are right. Smoke. What comes from vehicles? Smoke. Black smoke comes from the vehicles, children. Okay, so smoke released by vehicles, okay, which is harmful for us. Don't breathe that kind of air. If you breathe black smoke, okay, you may get headache and we feel dizziness and itching sensation of the skin. Okay, the major lungs are also affected. Okay, children, don't breathe bad air or black smoke. Okay, now if you see that, you have to cover your nose or mouth with napkin. Okay, or cloth. Okay, will you do, children? Yes. Don't breathe the smoke. Okay, children, and always you should breathe fresh air only. Okay, children. So what comes from the vehicles? What comes from the vehicles? Dust, smoke. Okay, when the vehicle is moving, so much of dust rises up. Okay, and the vehicles use fuels. No, children, vehicles use fuels like petrol and diesel. No, when the petrol and diesel are burned, they release black smoke. Okay, so black smoke comes from the vehicles. Okay, children. Now page number 72 open. Page number 72, they given true or false, children. Okay, and also they given here some things. See here, see the things. Okay, tick the object with air inside. Okay, see this balloon also full of air. This football also full of air. Okay, tick these two, and this is also full of air. Kite is flying because of the air. We have to keep tick these. Okay, and next see page number 72. They given true or false for you. Page number 72. They given true or false for you. Okay, I am reading first question. Air can be seen. Air can be seen. Can you see the air, children? Come on. Yes. Blow air into the balloon. Blow air into the balloon. And release the air from the balloon. Can you see the air from the balloon? Can you see the air? No, we can't see the air. We can feel the air when it moves. Fan yourself. We can feel the air. When the air is moving, we can feel. We can't see. Okay, so air can be seen. Is it a true or false, children? It is a false. We cannot see the air. Okay, now second question. Air helps in burning. Air helps in burning the things. Yes, it is true. Okay, without air things can't burn. Okay, now third question. We need air for breathing. Yes, we need air for breathing. Otherwise, we cannot live. All the living things need air for breathing only. That's why this is true. Okay, now fourth question. Air has no weight. Air has weight, children. Air has weight. Already you saw on video, no? Air has weight. Okay, but here they given air has no weight. That's why this statement is wrong. You have to keep false. You have to keep false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, this statement is wrong. See the fourth question. Air has no color, smell or taste. Yes, air has no color, no taste and no smell. That's why this is true. T-R-U-E, true. If the sentence is correct, we have to keep true. If the sentence is wrong, we have to keep false. Okay, so this sentence is wrong. Air has weight, but they given no. This sentence is wrong. That's why we have to kept it here false. You see, air has no color. This sentence is correct. That's why we kept it here true. Okay, children? And page number 74. Yes, page number 74 open. Page number 74, they given one word answers. One word answers. See, gentle blowing air is called. Gentle blowing air is called breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Okay, children. Now second question read. Air that blows very fast with thunders, lightning and rain, that is called storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. Storm can harmful for our children. Okay, storm harmful for us. Okay now, and it can uproot the trees. Okay, and it can uproot the trees. Okay, now third question. See, a very strong wind is called gale. A very strong wind is called gale. G-A-L-E, gale. Okay, and moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Okay, moving air is called wind. Gentle wind is called breeze. Okay, air that blows very fast. Okay, with thunders, lightning and rain, that is called storm. A very strong wind is called gale, and moving air is called wind. Okay, children. Okay. Okay, ma, tomorrow we will complete remaining true or false and matching and one word answers also, one word questions also there. Okay, tomorrow session we will complete all these children. Okay, bye, take care, have a good day.